Coloring with Rutaba.
Hello friends, how are you all? It's Adaba. Today we are going to make flowers, so let's get begin. Let's make flower together. Orange, pink, the flower looks so beautiful. Green, the flower is almost ready. Are you coloring with me?
Do you
अगर
know
आपको
your
वीडियो पसंद आया तो
ABCs?
सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना।